one three-dimensional array is given A, and they have asked that that particular array is stored as row major order and base address of array is 200 and the word size is 4 words. Then what will be the address for index 5 comma minus 1 comma 8? First of all, I want to compute the length of each array. Length of first array will be upper bound 8 minus lower bound 2 plus 1. 8 minus 2 plus 1 is 7. Length of array number 2 is minus 1 minus of minus 4 plus 1, that is 6, and length of array number 3, 10 minus 6 plus 1, that is 5. Now I want to compute few displacements according to the indices E1, E2 and E3. E1 will be equal to the index they have asked. If I am taking 5 minus 1 8 as ijk, so I minus lower bound of first array, so 5 minus 2, that is 3. E2 will be minus 1 minus of my lowest bound of array 2, that is minus 4, so it will be 3, and E3 will be 8 minus 6, that is 2. K minus lower bound of array number 3 is equal to 2. Now my location formula, location of array 5 comma minus 1 comma 8 is equal to base address 200 plus my W, that is 4, then multiply by E1 L2 plus E3 plus E2, not E3, sorry, it should be E2 multiply by L3 plus E3, and this complete term should be in multiplication of 4, so it will be 200 plus 4 E1 plus E1 into L2. E1 is 3 into L2, that is 6, that means 18, plus E2 that is 3 multiply by L3, that is 5, plus E3, that is 2. When we will solve this equation, then 200, it will become 200 plus 4 into 8 plus 3, 21 into 5, that is 105 plus 2, 107. 107 into 4, 428 plus 200, that is 628. So my answer should be 628.